Hello, today is October 24th, 2007, and here are some of the babies. I got some coral bills and maxis, Pionus. This is the counter that they play on. That's a coral bill. Some more maxis. They've been eating in the veggies. There's another coral bill. It's a little maxi Pionus. She's got some red up on the head, which she'll molt out. It's a little blue head. Yes. And then we have a blue head and a maxi here on the Jolly Ball. And another maxi right there against the wall. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. Are you peeking out?